Hello dear students, welcome to our channel Pharma Creations. Now we are going to discuss the MCQs of Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 3, that is BP401T. This is the question paper of D. Batu University and the exam is summer semester examination 2019. So one by one we will discuss the MCQs from it and their answers. So without wasting time, let's start with the discussion. So here you can see the question number 1, that is choose the correct alternative, that is the question. First, MCQ number 1 is a molecule is said to be a chiral if option A is it has a 4 different atoms attached to the carbon, B is non-superimposable on its mirror image, C is superimposable on its mirror image, and D is the both A and B. So if we are saying that the molecule is a chiral, then there are two conditions which are correct over here, that is it has a 4 different atoms attached to the carbon, and second one is non-superimposable mirror images will be seen. So option A and B both are correct, and hence the correct option for this MCQ, that is both A and B. Next MCQ given, that is specific rotation is denoted by letter. Option A is R, B is S, C is D, and D is the concentration of alpha. Correct option is D, that is alpha. Next MCQ 3. Angle strain is maximum in option A is cyclopropane, B is cyclobutane, C is cyclopentane, and D is the cyclohexane. And correct option is option number A, that is cyclopropane, which is having an angle strain which is maximum. Then MCQ number 4. Racemic mixture can be separated by option A is mechanical separation, B is biochemical separation, and C is chemical method. D is all of the above. So these racemic mixtures are resolved by or separated by all these methods, that is mechanical separation, biochemical, and chemical method. So the correct option is option number D, that is all of the above. Next MCQ 5. Stereoisomers which are not mirror images of each other are called option A is enantiomers, B is diastereomers, C is racemic mixtures, D is none of the above. So stereoisomers are not the mirror images of each other, and it is called as a diastereomers. So option B is correct. Next is 6th one MCQ. Pyridine is basic in nature. Option A is due to presence of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom, B is due to the formation of salts with acid, C is due to the formation of quaternary salt with alkyl halide, D is all of the above. And here the correct reason for the pyridine is basic in nature because it is having a presence of lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atom. So the correct option is A. Next MCQ 7th. Electrophilic substitution reaction occurs in quinoline at position. Option A is position 2 and 4, B is position 3 and 5, C is position 5 and 8, and D is the position 4 and 6. And the correct option is position 5 and 8. At this position, the electrophilic substitution reactions occurs in the quinoline. Next MCQ 8th one. Which of the ring in isoquinoline gets easily reduced? Option A is benzene ring, B is nitrogen containing ring, C is both the rings, D is the none of the above. So here isoquinoline gets easily reduced. Option A is correct and B is also correct. Benzene ring is also get reduced, whereas nitrogen containing rings also get reduced in the isoquinoline. So both the rings get reduced, hence the option C is correct for this MCQ. Next MCQ 9th one. In indole, which of the heterocyclic ring is fused with the benzene ring? Option A is pyrazole, B is imidazole, C is isoxazole, and D is the pyrrole. And here the correct option is D, that is pyrrole. It is the heterocyclic ring is fused with the benzene ring, that is called as a pyrrole. Next MCQ 10. Sulfonation of indole in presence of pyridine occurs at option A is position 2, option B is position 1, option 3 is position 3, and D is the position 4. So correct option for this MCQ, that is sulfonation of indole in presence of pyridine occurs at position 2. So option number A is correct. Next MCQ. In acridine, which of the following catalyst causes reduction of benzene ring? Option A is zinc and HCl, platinum and HCl. Option C is lithium, aluminium, H4, and D is the both A and C. So here in acridine, which of the following catalyst causes reduction of benzene ring? The correct answer for this, that is option number B, that is platinum and HCl. So this is the correct one answer. Next MCQ 12. In thiazole and oxazole, nucleophile and electrophile attacks at option A is C1 and C2 respectively, B C2 and C3 respectively, option C is C2 and C3 respectively, whereas option D is C1 and C5 respectively. So in thiazole and oxazole, nucleophilic and electrophilic attacks are occurred at position C1 and C5 respectively. So the correct option is D. Next 13 MCQ. In pyrrole, the number of electrons that n atom contributes to the pi system is option A is 2, B is 1, C is 3 and D is 4. So here option B is correct, because in pyrrole one number of lone pair of electron that the n atom contributes to the pi system, which is 1. So here B option is correct. Next MCQ 14. Electrophilic substitution in furan usually occurs at option A is C3 atom, B is C2 atom, C is both C2 and C3 atom, D is none of the above. So here the correct answer is electrophilic substitution in furan, it is easily occurs at position C3 and C2 both. So the correct option is C, that is both C3 and C2 atoms. Next MCQ. Which statement about thiophene is correct? Option A is thiophene is polar, B is oxidative polymerization of thiophene leads to a conjugating polymer, C is thiophene is more reactive towards electrophiles than furan, D is the S atom contributes 2 electrons to the pi system. So here in case of a 15, the question is asked wrongly, because the correct question for this MCQ is which statement about thiophene is incorrect. So we have to find out the incorrect sentence. So the correct option is C, that is thiophene is more reactive towards the electrophiles than furan. This one is the incorrect sentence for this MCQ. So here first of all you have to correct this question. The correct question is which statement about thiophene is incorrect, and incorrect statement you have to choose, and this is the correct answer for this MCQ. Next MCQ is which of the following is a strong hydride donor? NaBH4, LiAlH4, option C is B2H2 and D is the none of the above. The correct option, that is strong hydride donor, is option number B, that is LiAlH4. 17th MCQ. Open air oxidation is the reverse process of option A is Wolff-Kishner reduction, B is the Clemenson's reduction, C is Mirven-Pendorff-Verlet reduction, and D is Rosenmund's reduction. So here the correct option, that is C, Mirven-Pendorff-Verlet reduction. This is the correct option. Next is Birch reduction is done by using option A is sodium in ammonia with alcohol, B is potassium in ammonia with alcohol, C is magnesium in ammonia with alcohol, and D is in none of the above. So this Birch reduction is done by using sodium in ammonia with alcohol. So option A is correct. Next MCQ. Beckmann's rearrangement is useful for synthesis of A is alcohols, B is amide, C is phenols, D is oxime. So Beckmann rearrangement is useful for the synthesis of option number B, that is amide. Last one MCQ, 20 MCQ is in Dakin reaction, the OH or NH2 groups must be present at either which position of the reactant. Option A is ortho position, B is meta position, C is para position, and D is both A and C. So here in Dakin reaction, OH and NH2 groups must be present at either which of the position of the reactant, that is ortho position and para position. So the correct option for this MCQ, that is option number D, that is both A and C. So in this way we have discussed the MCQs of this summer examination 2019 for POC 3. So likewise I am going to post the MCQs of previous question paper for all the subjects of SEM 4. So keep watching this channel for more MCQs of all the subjects. Thank you so much.